Now I showed you how to wedge in the videos below, the forward wedging and the spiral wedging, but sometimes the clay you buy in the box isn't the clay you want. You can have a hard clay and a soft clay, or I often will blend clays. I will like clay for color, which is kind of cream cheesy, and then I want to add another clay for a bit of tooth. But I don't like the color of that one, so I add another clay to add another bit of tooth, a different color. And you can mess with clay bodies. As long as you stay in the same firing range, you can do anything you like. So I'm going to show you how easy it is and what it looks like to wedge two pieces of clay together. So I've got a white clay body and a red one. And I'm just going to stagger them. Stagger them like that. Then I'm going to stand them up and I'm going to cut them in the opposite direction and slam them down. You can see what it looks like. That looks kind of cool. And if you want to be really staggering, you can switch it the other way around. But I don't think it makes that much difference. I'm going to stand it up and we're going to go the opposite direction again. You can see as it cuts, your pieces are getting smaller and smaller, and it'll be easier to blend. Now the white clay is quite a bit harder than the red clay, but pretty soon it'll all be the same. So I'm going to do it again. And I'm going to do this a few times until the pieces get quite small. I think one more, then we'll start wedging. See, it's really getting blended without wedging, because if you try to wedge that right from the get-go, you'll learn all about no-bounce aerobics, more than you'll ever want to know. It's a lot of work to wedge if you just go the two separate. But let's do one more. Hey, look at that. You can really see how it is blending together. I'm going to start spiral wedging. As I mentioned before, it's develop that cone and push it around. And I'll give it a few spirals. And let's just have a look at it. You can see now how it's spiraling. Okay, we'll get it a few more times. Let's have a look at it. It's really starting to blend. Now, because I don't want to stand here and wedge and puff, I've got one that's a lot further along than it was. I just kept wedging that one. And so we'll do forward wedging on that one. And it's just a matter of keep on going and going and going until it's even. Sometimes you turn the forward around. Let's cut this in half and see what we have. But considering what I started with, and I would do a few more wedges on that one, we've gone from white clay to red clay to pink, beige, mixed clay. Anyway, that's how you blend two clay bodies together. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe. If you want to see the clay on the wheel after it's wedged, please check out the link above. I can show you how to make a nice round vase. And thanks ever so much for watching.